There is always a podium laid for every individual to dream, to desire, to determine, to decide their destiny. Tyagarajar College of Preceptors is one of the best in discovering every approach as flair to bloom into vibrant colors. We invite all your eyesights to view our hard work, commitments in all areas on the juncture towards a wide connotation. With gratitude to God and our late chairman and managing director, Sri Manikam Ramaswamy, here we let slip our slides from the history of Tyagarajar College of Preceptors. A continuous journey of 65 years. Here I present our annual report for the year 2021. Admissions. 137 student teachers were admitted for the first year B.Ed program on March 2021 due to lockdown, taking a total tally of 295 student teachers for the academic year 2021. University results. The college secured 100% in the B.Ed second year and first year of Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University examinations. In the first year, Karunai Kavita was the college topper with 88.92%, Adi Lakshmi K with 88%, and Abhinaya R with 87.85% secured second and third rank. The average score of first year students was 82.71%. In the second year, college topper was Kamalini Devi B with 88%. The second rank was secured by Mageshwar J, 87.5%, and the third rank Anita J of 87.1%. The average score of the second year students was 83.1%. Events of the academic year 2021. The single window counseling applications for the academic year 2021 were issued online from 4/12/20 to 10/12/20. The academic year commenced for the second year students online on 15/7/20 and first year students offline on 8th March 2021. Induction course. An induction course for first year students was conducted from 16/3/21 to 26/3/21 following with following topics: teacher and values, introduction to teacher education, teacher-student quality relation, anger management, active and joyful learning, books to read, problem-solving skills, emotional intelligence, youth confident and confused, transactional analysis, creativity, personal hygiene, stress management, leadership skills, stay focused, integrating technology in teaching and learning, time management, environmental awareness, positive thinking, education for here and now, emotional literacy for teachers, and finally, a orientation on the present TNTU B.Ed curriculum. Associations and club activities. Tamil Association. Students Pattimandram on the topic Gender Stereotypes was organized on 15/6/2021. English Association. A guest lecture on Let's Walk Over to English was organized on 11/11/2020. Mr. S. C. Raghunathan, freelance soft skills and English language trainer, Chennai, was the resource person. Mathematics Association. A guest lecture on influential mathematics was organized on 18/11/20. Mr. P. Nelin Raja, PG Assistant in Mathematics, Government Boys Higher Secondary School, Kattumanar Kovil, Kadalur, was the resource person. And a webinar was conducted on Teacher as Evaluator by Dr. Vinod Kumar Kandaria, Senior Faculty Member, University of Delhi on 2011-20. Science Association. A guest lecture on innovative perspectives of science teaching was organized on 10-11-20. Dr. I. Arogyaraj, Assistant Professor, PG and Research, Department of Chemistry, St. Joseph's College Autonomous, Trichy was the resource person. History Association. A webinar on map reading activity was conducted by Mrs. M. A. Muniyammal, Associate Professor of History, Tyagarajar College of Preceptors, Madurai on 16-10-20. Commerce Association. A webinar on entrepreneurship was held on 2011-20. Dr. P. Deivanai, Assistant Professor, Avinashalingam Institute of Home Science and Higher Education for Women, Coimbatore, acted as the resource person. Consumer Awareness Cell. A lecture on consumer protection in digital era, issues and challenges was organized on 9-11-2020. Dr. Bharati Kannamma, social activist, member of Lok Adalat, acted as the resource person. Red Ribbon Club. An online induction and AIDS awareness program was conducted by Mr. P. Jayapandi, District Program Manager, DAPCS Tansax Collectorate Madurai on 6-2-21. The Red Ribbon Club of Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, Chennai, joined hands in conducting Madurai Zonal Level Training Program for RRC Program Officers of Colleges of Education on 30-3-21. 45 program officers of various colleges of education affiliated to Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University from 6 districts, namely Madurai, Virudunagar, Ramnad, Dindigul, Sivagangai, and Theni, participated in the program. Mr. P. Jayapandi, District Program Manager, DAPCS Tansax Collectorate Madurai, and Mrs. Pandya Lakshmi, Trainer NGO, were the resource persons. Women Development Cell. A webinar on women entrepreneurship and rural development was held on 6-11-20. Mrs. P. Jayalakshmi, entrepreneur, was the resource person. Eco Club. A webinar on biodiversity was organized on 12-11-20. Dr. M. Shivakami, Assistant Professor, Selection Grade, Department of Chemistry, Faculty of Engineering and Technology, SRM University, Kattangulathur, acted as the resource person. Readers Club. Our Karumuttu Tyagaraja Chettiar Library has a collection of 21,594 printed books, 29,000 e-books, and 6,000 e-journals through online database. An online faculty orientation program on Sakai learning management software was given by Mrs. Wilma Hodges, Director of Training and E-Learning, Sakai LMS, United States of America on 30-7-2020. Alumni Association. Mrs. P. Somasundari, 2017-2019, PRT teacher, Army Public School, Nandambakam, Chennai, shared their experience with student teachers in the Alumnus Talk series on 2-11-20. 10 alumni of our college have cleared CTET examinations held in the month of December 2020 and brought laurels to the institution. Parent Teachers Association. Parent Teacher Association meeting was held on March 15, 2021. 88 parents raised the occasion and feedback on the college orientation program from parents of first B.Ed students and feedback on online classes from parents of second B.Ed students were collected. Action plans were designed and implemented based on the parents' feedback. Cultural Cell. An intra-collegiate event, Preceptors Fest 2020, was inaugurated with competitions like quiz, essay writing, and poster presentation. Sports Club. An online guest lecture on health risks of sedentary lifestyle was organized on 19/11/2020. Dr. B. Navanithan, Director of Physical Education, PSG College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore, was the resource person. Seminars and workshops. Center for Capacity Building Program for School Teachers, Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, Chennai, collaborated with our college to host a 5-day national level online workshop on techno-emotive pedagogy conducted from 6/7/2020 to 10/7/2020. Professor N. Panjanathan, Vice Chancellor, Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, Chennai, delivered the presidential address. Dr. S. Prakash, Principal, Tyagarajar College of Preceptors, Madurai, proposed the felicitation address. Dr. K. S. Sajan, Assistant Professor, NSS Training College, Ottapalam, Kerala. Mr. K. Tangavel, Assistant Professor of Education, Tyagarajar College of Preceptors, Madurai. Mr. Sushant Kumar Nayak, Assistant Professor, Department of Education, Rajiv Gandhi University, Arunachal Pradesh. Dr. J. Jansi Priya, Assistant Professor of Education, Misden College of Education, Chennai, and Dr. K. Kumaresan, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Tyagarajar College of Preceptors, Madurai, were the resource persons of the workshop. Professor M. Govindan, Dean of Faculty and Head Department of Educational Psychology, Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, proposed the valedictory address. The event was coordinated with Mrs. Shivashakti Rajamal, Assistant Professor, Department of Educational Psychology, Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University. A webinar on inclusion and inclusive strategies was organized on 12/7/20 with Mrs. K. Kalyani, Assistant Professor, Department of Postgraduate Studies in Education, Vijaya Teacher Training College, Bengaluru, as resource person. A webinar on turning challenges into opportunities through life skills education was conducted on 16/7/20. Dr. J. Jayachitra, Assistant Professor of Education, Alagappa University College of Education, School of Education, Alagappa University, Karaikudi, acted as the resource person. A webinar on EduTech tools for learning was organized on 20/7/20 with Dr. Manjula Nagarajan, Associate Professor, Tyagaraja School of Management, Madurai, sharing her rich knowledge in educational technology. In collaboration with the Annamal College of Education for Women Tuticorin, a national level workshop on stimulant online tools for collaborative learning was conducted on 26/2/21. Mr. K. Tangavel, Assistant Professor of Education, Tyagaraja College of Preceptors, Madurai, acted as the resource person. Center for Capacity Building Program for School Teachers, Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, Chennai, organized longest virtual seminar on role of teachers towards pinnacle of achievements in association with 27 colleges of education affiliated to TNTEU from 4/6/2021 to 5/6/2021. Our college participated in the program subtitled Inidu Inidu Katral Inidu. Professor N. Panjanathan, Vice Chancellor, TNTU, delivered the inaugural address, and Dr. S. Prakash, Principal, gave the felicitation address. Dr. V. Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor of Tamil, Mrs. J. Selvarani, and Mr. K. Karthik, second BA student teachers, shared their thoughts. Dr. S. Anbaragan, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, proposed the vote of thanks, and Mr. S. Rajakumar, Assistant Professor of Education, coordinated the program. The college received a certificate from Assessed World Record Research Foundation, Puducherry, and the program was streamed live in Tamil America television. Celebrations. Independence Day was celebrated on 15/8/2020. Teachers' Day was celebrated enthusiastically by student teachers with an online lecture on Peridinum Peridike by Mr. Karthik Bala, writer and director, Radio City, Madurai, on 5/9/2020. Staff members paid respects to our beloved CMD on his Memorial Day on 2/10/2020. Saraswati Puja was held on 23/10/20. Women Pongal was celebrated on 13/1/21. Republic Day was celebrated on 26/1/21. Women's Day was celebrated along with Nattamil Nallalumai Pulanam organization on 8/3/21. 12 famous women from different disciplines shared their experience in YouTube live program. Dr. A. Punraj, Chief Advisor to former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, delivered the presidential address. Endowment Awards. The students were awarded their endowment awards for the academic year 2021. Curriculum-based activities. Due to pandemic situation, the classes were held in online platform. Orientation program on second B.Ed curriculum was given by Dr. S. Prakash, Principal, on 15/7/20. Applications for first B.Ed management seats were issued from 21/10/20. The college acted as district facilitation center for B.Ed single window counseling 2020 online application submission, and 40 students utilized the services from December 4, 2020 to December 12, 2020. The 65th batch inaugural day program was conducted on 15/3/21. Mr. N. Ramakrishnan, Administrative Officer, delivered an address on the history of the college, and Dr. S. Prakash, Principal, gave the inaugural day address. 130 students and 88 parents were present in the program. The issue of application for management seats admission for the academic year 21/22 commenced on 9/6/2021. The first year B.Ed students of the academic year 2021 were exposed to 15 hours of online workshop on art and craft courses conducted by Mrs. Tulasi Kannan, Ovia Nanmani, Fevicryl Specialist Trainer, Ajanta Arts and Crafts Madurai, from May 3rd, 2021 to June 4th, 2021. Basic strokes and sketching, mask making, puppet making, best out of waste, fabric painting, glass painting, kalamkari painting, canvas painting, bottle art, wall hanging, color theory, paper craft, and clay modeling sessions were held. Students prepared the materials and posted the photos in the WhatsApp group created for arts and crafts classes. Tamil Nadu Teacher Education University continuation of provisional affiliation for the B.Ed additional intake program inspection for the academic year 21/24 was conducted on 16/4/21. Dr. G. Jayaseelan, Principal, Dr. R.K. Shanmugam College of Education, Kallapurichi, Viluppuram, acted as the convener, and Dr. S. Saravana Selvi, Principal, Meenammal College of Education for Women, T. Kunnathur, Perayur, Madurai, acted as the member. School Internship Program. An online stimulated teaching workshop for second year students was held in the month of July 2020. Second year student teachers attended the 16-week school internship program in 85 different schools of 16 districts from 30/11/20 to 3/4/21 with special permission by TNTU for students to pursue school internship program from the nearest school of the residence. Our faculty members visited all the schools in a phased manner and gave necessary inputs for the student teachers. Examinations are the part and parcel of the B.Ed curriculum. The online internal model TNTU theory examination and evaluation camp were conducted as per schedule. Memorandum of Understanding. A MOU was signed with Center for Capacity Building Program for School Teachers, Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, Chennai, on February 8, 2021. Similarly, another MOU with the College of Education, Mother Teresa Women's University Kodaikanal, was signed on February 25th, 2021 for conducting various academic programs as joint venture. Intercollegiate competitions. Our student teachers participated in various competitions organized by Tamil Nadu Teachers Education University, Colleges of Education, Colleges of Arts and Science, and won prizes. I am sharing few of the certificates. We are proud to say that our college students were the overall winners of the online cultural competition titled Sarada Fiesta 2021, organized by Sri Sarada College of Education, Salem. The internal quality assurance cell. The IQAC of our college functions in planning, guiding, and monitoring quality assurance and quality enhancement activities of the college. A training program for teachers of Tyagarajar Nursery and Primary School, Madurai, on conducting online classes was held on August 18, 2020. The student teachers' videos on teaching subjects were shared with the headmaster, Tyagarajar Model Higher Secondary School, Madurai, on August 21, 2020. Home Economics Project Report was published and released on 17/9/2020. The digital storytelling videos prepared by the student teachers were shared with the headmisters of Tyagarajar Nursery and Primary School, Madurai, and Sri Visalakshi Achi Nursery and Primary School, A. Tekkur, on 22/9/20. TCP Imprints newsletter, Volume 6 and Volume 7 was released on 14/10/2020 and 23/2/21. An ISO surveillance audit was conducted online on 26/11/20. Mr. Jayachandran, Auditor Bureau Veritas Chennai, and Mr. Karun Sharma, Auditor Witness, National Accreditation Board for Certificating Bodies, NAB-CB, New Delhi, completed the 10 hours online audit. The TCP EduSpectra e-journal with ISSM has released its 6th issue on February 2021. The college has a dynamic website with more than 76,000 visitor counts and details fulfilling NCTE regulations, and a very active Facebook page with 450 posts in this academic year and 1979 posts overall of the college activities. The college YouTube channel was updated with 68 videos in this academic year, taking the total tally of 103 videos, and has crossed 688 subscribers, 30,216 views, and 1154 watch hours so far. A new SlideShare account is started in the name of TCP Library. The core basics, faculty and students PowerPoint presentations were uploaded. An institutional digital repository was created using Flip HTML5, and all IQAC publications of our college were updated on this platform. Faculty members registered their profile in the Vidwan portal for their academic visibility, and it was integrated with Indian Research Information Network system on December 28, 2020. The IQAC published the following books in academic year 2021. Annual Report 2019-20, Beyond the Desk Report 2019-20, Faculty Professional Development Activities 2019-20, Volume 1 and Volume 2. Examination Cell Report 2019-20. Student Teachers 1 minute speech. Garbology Project Report 2019. Home Economics Project Report 2019. Kadamuttu Tyagaraja Chettiar Memorial Library Annual Report. TNTU Zonal Level Sports Meet Annual Report. Question bank based on the current Tamil Nadu Teacher Education University B.Ed syllabus for the first year as well as for the second year were prepared in this academic year 2020-21. Certificate courses. The college offers 5 certificate courses in the name of value added courses of 15 hours of duration online, and first year students will opt 2 courses compulsorily. The courses are Classroom Technology, Library Management, Guidance and Counseling, Health and Nutrition, and Communicative English. In this academic year, 132 students were enrolled in Phase 1 and Phase 2, which was held from 7th June to July 2nd, 2021. The second phase from July 5th to July 30th, 2021. The IQAC also offered online courses in collaboration with Educate to Empower Trust during the lockdown for the benefits of the student community. Some of the courses were Guidance and Counseling, conducted from 13/7/20 to 17/7/20. Online course on Fitness Management from 20/7/20 to 24/7/20. And online course on Communicative English from 10/8/20 to 14/8/20. More than 200 students have benefited out of this online courses. Extension activities. Our college is now a recognized Swachhata Action Plan institution. Institution has successfully formed the Swachhata Action Plan Committee and contributed to working groups post-COVID-19 for sanitation and hygiene, waste management, water management, energy management. Certificate was issued by Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, Department of Higher Education, Ministry of Human Resource and Development, Government of India. Our college hosted the All India Institute of Management Association (IMA) organized CAT/GMAT entrance examination on February 14, 2021 with 193 candidates and March 16, 2021 with 206 candidates. We thank our bankers, Punjab National Bank, Madurai, for sponsoring an auto sanitizer dispenser in the college, which is currently used by all student teachers as a part of COVID-19 standard operation procedure. The college published more than 50 e-flyers on creating awareness on COVID-19 among students and public, and the flyers were posted in all the college social media platforms. Loyal Shakti life skill courses. Our faculty members acted as resource person in the Loyal Shakti life skill course offered to workers of Loyal Textiles Koilpatti, Valli Textiles Sattur and Singamunari, and Valli Madurai. Our faculty members acted as experts in the following subjects: communication, grandma medicine, home economics, home science, physical fitness, rights and responsibilities, and current affairs. Faculty professional development activities. Faculty orientation program on LIC services was conducted by Mr. N. Pandirajan, Senior Business Associate, LIC Madurai, on 22/10/2020. A faculty training program on handling smart board was held by Mr. S. Sugar Ahmadu, Training Manager, EBIC Smart Class, Chennai, on 1/3/21. Our faculty members delivered invited talks or acted as resource persons in various colleges of education and schools in and around Madurai and also in the state and outside the state. They have participated in workshops, seminars, webinars, conferences related to education and presented papers in international and national seminars and conferences. Our faculty team have published articles in reputed journals of the country. In the academic year 2021, our faculty members have received 4 awards. They have given 45 invited talks and they have participated in 439 webinars and presented 4 papers and published 26 articles in the reputed journal and has published 3 books. Awards and Dr. S. Anbaragan, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, was awarded Doctorate Degree in Education from Azhagappa University, Karaikudi on April 29, 2021. Dr. S. Anbaragan received N. Abdul Kalam and Best Teacher Award given by the International Youth Society UN 75-2020 and Beyond Sharing Our Future Together on 10/3/21 and SKCT Award 2020 for Excellence in Teaching given by Sri Karunananda Charitable Trust, Thiruvannamalai, in appreciation and recognition of outstanding contribution with continued dedication to the student community on 29/12/20. Mr. K. Thangave, Assistant Professor of Education, received N. Abdul Kalam Award and Mr. S. Rajakumar, Assistant Professor of Education, received Kalam Dream Youth Award from Wings of Social Trust, Madurai on 15/10/2020. We build upon our many accomplishments across our campus with the support of our President and Correspondent, Srimati Valli M. Ramaswamy, Mr. M. E. Ilango, Secretary, Mr. M. Ramakrishnan, Vice President HR, Mr. S. Chidambara Kumar, Senior Manager Finance and Administration, Mr. M. Ramakrishnan, Administrative Officer, Dr. L. Saraswati, Academic Advisor, and Mr. Balaguru, Administrative Advisor. At this juncture, I must also thank heads and faculties of associated institutions, Tyagaraja School of Management, Tyagaraja Model Higher Secondary School, Tyagaraja Primary and Nursery School, Madurai, the Visalakshi Ajji Nursery and Primary School, Gateway School, and Loyal Textiles Mills Nursery and Primary School, Koi, for their immense support and cooperation in all our endeavors. Your support truly energizes us, ensures our future success, and allows us to prepare an increasing number of students for enriched lives for the society. We remain grateful to all the parents for reposing their unparalleled trust in us, which propels us to march ahead with a greater commitment and enthusiasm. We hope to move forward with our priorities, innovation in our educational programs, intellectual ambitions, and globalization in education. In the end, I would like to quote an extract from Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening, written by Robert Frost, to express our way forward. This is on behalf of the entire Tyagaraja College of Receptors family. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but we have promises to keep, and miles to go before we sleep, and miles to go before we sleep. Thank you. Thank you once again.